Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a quick tutorial about airplane chefs, and in this video guys I'm going to share with you that how you actually can get a mod for the both devices iOS and Android. Okay, so I'm going to show to you the steps with my iPhone, but the same steps are working also for the Android. So if you want to learn how to do it, then watch the video until the end. I'm going to share to you how I did it for myself, so you can learn it also how to do it on your own. And practically guys, with this mod you will get, as you can see right over here, unlimited resources, and I'm going to show you how you can do this. Okay, so before you start guys, you just need to check something in the settings so the whole process goes smoothly and you don't have any problem interruption. Just to give you some hint, so basically go to the settings and then scroll it down here where you have App Store app, and then down below where it is written automatic downloads, make sure you have these three options on. Okay, if you have anyone turned off, make sure you turn it on, three of them, so it allows automatic downloads in your device. Another thing you need to check guys, for those who use lower power mode, for example, you have to go to battery, and if you use lower power mode, you should turn it off, because otherwise you're gonna disable automatic downloads in your device. So if I'm going to keep the lower power mode on and scroll it down here, or is App Store again, as you can see automatic downloads gets disabled. Okay, so we need this option to be enabled. So if you use lower power mode to save battery, you do it usually. Make sure you turn it off guys, okay, before, and then check one more time in App Store here, and make sure you have, again, as you can see now got enabled again, make sure you have these three options on. Okay, so these options I show you in the settings are required just if you have iOS device. If you're using Android, you can skip this part of the tutorial because Android is a different system, it does it by itself automatically. Okay, so the next step, what you have to do, you have to go to your internet browser. You can use Safari, you can use Google, any kind of internet browser that you prefer. Go and search about this website. It's called Modolix, Modolix. And once you're going to enter inside, you have a lot of other things you can check later, but I'm going to use the searching bar here not to make the video too long. Okay, and just type the name of the game. Here it is. Press on it, you have information about the game and the mod as well, and then here in the corner you have the install button, so you just need to continue guys. The rest of the steps you're going to be able to get the mod same as me. So basically this is in short words guys. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I will be very happy to get in touch with you and try to help you with everything you need. See you in the next videos. Cheers.